Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on the Pionex mobile app using your debit or credit card. By the way, if you haven't signed up on the Pionex app, check the video description for the sign up link to register and earn up to 1,125 USDT. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Pionex app account, then go to Account tab. Here, you will see your total balance, and underneath, you'll see Deposit, Buy Crypto, Withdraw, History, and Transfer buttons. To buy crypto using bank cards or e-wallets like Google Pay, etc., tap the Buy Crypto button. Here, you have two options: Express for Visa, Apple Pay, and other ways, or Bank Transfer for zero-fee deposits using EUR or GBP. With a bank transfer, you just input the amount you want to buy here, and select the currency you want to use. The second step will be selecting a service provider. They have Pionex UAB and Alchemy Pay. For example, if you want to buy 500 EUR, there will be no fee. The price is 1.0980 USDT per EUR, and you will get 549 USDT. Please note that this may change from time to time due to market volatility. For Express, you just input here the amount you want to purchase. Select the fiat currency you want to use. Let me use USD. Under that, select the crypto you want to receive. Let me choose USDT. Below, you will see the available service providers that you can use. Pionex supports Alchemy Pay, Bangsa, and Simplex. For Alchemy Pay, you can use credit card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. So with my 500 USD purchase, the estimated USDT that I'll be getting will be 482.21 USDT if I use my credit card under Alchemy Pay. Once you have selected the service provider, you tap Buy. Please agree to the disclaimer. Select Card. And here, you input your credit card information and just proceed with the purchase. That's how you buy crypto on the Pionex app using a debit or credit card or e-wallet. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.